Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through an unfiltered, fast-paced review of Powtoon, the long-standing king of drag-and-drop animated presentations that has undergone a massive technological transformation to survive in the modern artificial intelligence landscape. If you need to build engaging cartoon explainers, corporate training modules, or marketing pitches without touching a complex keyframe editing timeline, Powtoon remains an incredibly functional canvas. The platform has successfully integrated deep generative mechanics directly into its classic vector workspace, featuring artificial intelligence document-to-video tools that instantly convert raw pitch decks or static manuals into full multi-scene motion clips, alongside deep voice cloning and auto lip-syncing avatars. However, the modern reality of using this suite reveals some frustrating financial traps. While their base pricing starts around $15 a month for a highly restricted light tier, Powtoon now restricts its elite artificial intelligence utilities and avatar generations behind a strict, volatile monthly credit system. If your team runs heavy content production cycles or needs multiple voiceovers, you will easily burn through your default credit allocation within the first week of the month, forcing your business into buying expensive add-on token packs that can unpredictably spike your operational costs. Ultimately, Powtoon is a top-tier, secure studio for corporate teams who need to easily spin up structured animated narratives with full brand-locking controls. But solo creators looking for cheap, unmetered AI video generation will likely find the credit caps and rigid subscription structures a bit too restrictive. Subscribe the channel for more videos.